Unlocking the mystery of top registry items. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that often comes up in conversations about weddings, baby showers, and other milestone celebrations: top registry items. Whether you're a native English speaker or learning English as a second language, understanding this phrase can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started and explore what it means, why it's important, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Top registry items refers to the most popular, desired, or essential items that people include on a gift registry. A gift registry is a list that individuals create for a special event, such as a wedding or a baby shower, indicating the gifts they would like to receive. The top in top registry items highlights these items as being the most preferred or needed among all the options listed. Understanding top registry items is crucial for several reasons. For event attendees, it helps guests choose gifts that the host will appreciate and find useful, ensuring their money is well spent on something valuable. For event hosts, highlighting top registry items can guide guests towards what they truly need or want, making the gift receiving process more meaningful and practical. Cultural insight. This concept offers a glimpse into social customs around gift giving, showcasing how people prioritize certain items over others for significant life events. This phrase is commonly used in wedding registries. Couples list their preferred household items, appliances, or experiences to start their new life together. Baby shower registries. Expectant parents include baby gear, clothing, and other necessities to prepare for their newborn's arrival. Other milestones, including birthdays, graduations, and housewarmings, where individuals might set up registries for their celebrations. When discussing event planning or gift giving, you might say, "I checked their wedding registry, and the top registry items include a coffee maker and a blender. Which one do you think we should get?" While setting up our baby shower registry, we focused on the top registry items to ensure we get everything we need for the baby. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and importance of top registry items in English-speaking cultures. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also enhances your cultural awareness, making you more adept at navigating social situations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. See you in the next video.